Hi everyone, I'm here with Ali from Tarmeez Capital. Nice to meet you, Ali.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Can you just tell me a little bit more about what your company does?
Yes, so Tarmeez Capital, it's a digital platform. It's a Fintech company where we provide financial services to a dual-sided platform. So on one side, we're democratizing debt, and we provide this for SME companies and other international companies. On the other side, we have our investors, a pool of investors, which is individuals, retail, professional investors, and institutional investors. We crowdfund these investments and we structure the deal for SME companies who are seeking finance in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
So we're regulated by CMA and we have a license to arrange those funds. We have received an overwhelming response from the Saudi market, both from the finance seeking side, because there's a huge gap where previously these companies could not get finance from banks or other companies.
Yeah.
And on the other side, we have introduced a new market, which is the debt market,
Right.
giving them opportunity to invest in sukuk and at a very great rate. So we are offering one of the highest rates in Saudi Arabia. It goes up to 15%.
Wow.
Right? So this is how we're revolutionizing the Saudi market.
Okay.
We're excited. We're looking to have a greater opportunities, bring it for the Saudi people.
Yeah.
And the event is just upscaling our efforts for the first time.
Great, fantastic. And what's the plans to grow with the 2030 Saudi vision?
Right, so there are a lot of plans in the pipeline for expanding the market base. This is a parallel market which has been introduced in the Saudi economy, and we're receiving an overwhelming response overall from our investors and companies who are seeking finance. So, and we do this very quickly. So in about 5 to 7 days at max, we're able to tell a company whether they're eligible or not, or do their evaluation and produce the investment opportunities for our investors.
Right.
We do it very quickly, basically. Our portfolio is great. We just started off last year, and we're touching a program size of 1 billion riyal already.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Okay.
it's great. It's going great, and there are a lot of plans. Since we're regulated by the CMA, there are a lot of plans to upscale our business. Right now, we're just doing it for Saudi companies, and on this side we have citizens as well. But we, in future, we're looking forward to expand this to the international network. Right. There are other things such as sukuk, which is the product. It is being offered, so it's private currently, but there are plans to go and make it a public traded entity. So just like you have the stock market, which deals in stocks and equity, we will be producing a parallel market which will be dealing in sukuk, and you will be able to trade sukuk. If you've invested and you hold sukuk of certain companies, before redemption, before exiting, you can actually trade it with other people.
Right.
So when this market comes in, there will be a huge liquidity that will be introduced into the system.
Amazing, fantastic. And obviously we're on the final day here at 24 Fintech. And how's the event been for you over the last 3 or 4 days?
Oh, it's been great. I mean, I believe this is like one of the first big major Fintech events from 24 Fintech.
Yeah.
And the response in the crowd we see here is just amazing.
Right.
I mean, we've had a lot of questions, a lot of queries that have been raised both from investors and seekers, that how we can be onboarded, how does it work, what's the process and everything. It's really nice to get people educated, get the Tarmeez Capital brand awareness there. So people, the more they know about this market, the better it gets.
Of course. Well, thanks a lot, Ali, for your time.
Thank you for your
time. Really
time.
appreciate that.
Nice meeting you. Thank you.